Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shresta Rao and welcome to my YouTube channel Shresta's Happiness. This is my first video on YouTube. Basically, I'm a software analyst working for a reputed MNC in India and I'm from Hyderabad itself. From childhood, I like exploring things and learning it in my own simple way. So, in my leisures, I usually tend to watch a lot of YouTube videos and I thought, why should I not give it a shot? And here I am. So now here comes the questions, what can we expect from this channel? My answer to this is, the first thing is you can expect crafts kind of videos, DIYs, fashion related videos, planning, career and motivation, and recipes as well, because I'm a foodie of course. Then a lot more. So you can subscribe to my channel and walk with me and be a part of my YouTube journey. And the second question here is, when can you expect a video? So my answer for this is, I will be uploading a video on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. That is every alternate day in a week. So I might also upload an additional video depending on my leisures, which I'm not sure. But this will be 3 different kinds of videos that will be coming in a week. So you can follow and check it out. And apart from this, I would like to share a couple of things here. The first thing is, I would like to start academic related kind of videos where I make content for the recently graduated students dealing with the subjects like flat, OS and compiler design, which are really tough. So I want to make separate videos for them so that they tend to feel it much simple and easier. I will plan accordingly based on your support and encouragement, which motivates me a lot to do such kind of videos. Second thing here is, I promise you guys that I'll be doing some useful content which will be useful for you in the one way or the other. So please subscribe to my channel and support me, because it motivates me a lot for doing more such videos, and show your love and trust by subscribing to my channel. And I have a final note for you guys. Which is, whatever the content I make here is 100% genuine. It is nothing fake on the screen. I hope you understand what I'm speaking about. And whatever I share is out of my own experiences and my own research. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.